Hi, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. It's great to have you here. This is the Real Wealth series. We're going to look into 10 steps to mental toughness. Rule 138, all investors become traders whenever they buy or sell. Investing and trading in crypto requires a lot of mental toughness. Knowing when to buy, when to sell, how to hold on, how long to hold on, all of these things require a lot of capability to manage your anxiety. Financial markets are literally a battleground of emotion, but when enhanced correctly, that emotion can be life-changing. That's what we're about inside our community. Having the right attitude is an important part to creating success and happiness in life. Just as cryptos have a trend, every single human being has a trend in their life as well. For our community, that trend is real wealth. Real wealth includes money, and money is a proxy for security and, of course, happiness and comfort. But, however, many people have a lot of money, but they don't feel happy. They don't have inner and outer peace. Gratitude, integrity, kindness, authenticity. These are big problems, and you can literally have it all. You can have all the components of real wealth as well as financial wealth. Financial markets make it really important to master yourself. Rule 774, master yourself to master the market. This is a critical rule that most investors and traders bypass, and they wonder why they're not consistently profitable. In life, mastering yourself is critically important. Even if you're not trading or investing, mastering yourself is the path to all the best things in life, such as empathy and love, purpose and fearlessness, fulfillment and meaning, inner and outer peace. The essential starting point to mastering yourself is to understand deep down that you are worthy and totally unique. No one can be you, only you. You're here for a purpose, and that purpose is a good purpose. You deserve kindness, love, meaning, and every success in life. However, life throws curveballs at all of us. Life can be pretty harsh. Arnold Schwarzenegger said, "Your struggles develop your strength. When you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that is strength." It's really important to create an environment where you can work on your mental toughness. But how do you do that? I've provided here 10 steps to mental toughness. Step number 1 is look at everything through the lens of gratitude and positivity. It's a fantastic way to look at life. Number 2, reject anger. If you're holding on to something, just let it go. Number 3, reject toxicity. If people are around you spreading toxicity or negative emotion to you, it will just literally drain you of your energy. You need your energy to succeed. Rejecting toxic people and toxicity is a very important thing, and that is what mentally tough people do. Step number 4, reject self-blame. It's important to be accountable, no doubt, but if you're blaming yourself continuously, that's really not healthy. Everybody makes mistakes, and that is just part of life, but you don't need to drag yourself over the coals because of past issues. That's why step number 5 is critically important. It's all about a learning focus, having gratitude and positivity, getting rid of the negative, having a focus on learning starts to pave the way for extreme mental toughness, but also a really, really happy life. When you learn, you can own your results, not reject them. And you basically look at perfection as an idealistic notion. There is no such thing as perfection. You can only do your best, and your best is way good enough. Step 8, working hard. Anything valuable requires hard work. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. People notice hard work, but it's more important to create hard work as the foundation of your personality. Working hard shows commitment. Commitment is an incredibly important part of being tough. Being tough, mentally tough, means that you want to test your limits. You always want to see where the edge of the envelope is and push it outside your comfort zone. Testing your limits is really, really important. That means you will face your fears. Facing fears gives you courage. Courage is a beautiful way to live. I like to say that mental strength starts with gratitude and ends with learning. Learning and gratitude are two of the most valuable skills that you will ever acquire. Now I hear you say, Ken, why do I need mental toughness? I just need to place a buy order and a sell order and I can just walk away and buy a Lamborghini down the path. Well, that may be true, but when we look at chaos zone analysis, the 4 stages that every single investor and trader progresses through to become consistently profitable and attain real wealth, the first 2 zones, unfortunately, are all about mental toughness. It takes a lot of toughness to get over zone 1, the panic zone. Inside the panic zone, people are caught up with fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's FUD. And fear of missing out. That's FOMO. There's so much internal anxiety, so many sleepless nights. And it's because people want certainty. But the financial markets, especially crypto, will never give you certainty. If you want certainty, you'll be terrorized by that. That's why panic leads to blame. Zone 2 is the blame zone. That's all about external panic, conflict, and attacking others. It's a very harsh place to live. Nobody wants to live inside of conflict. Conflict is draining. And if it's not draining to the particular person doing it, it is certainly draining to people around them. Getting rid of zone is a key aspect of people who are mentally tough. They just look at any learning experience, any loss, as just a way to gain more strength, more mental toughness. Zone 3 is the patience and rule zone. That's all about probabilistic fearlessness, knowledge and forgiveness of yourself, not forgiveness of other people, forgiveness for your learning issues, and accountability, and of course learning. It's focused on probability and rules, not certainty. Probability is required when there is uncertainty. In markets, financial markets, there's always uncertainty. If things were certain, you wouldn't really get any kind of return. Zone 4. Zone 3 is very much about consistent profitability, but Zone 4 is about having peace of mind, meaning. The meaning zone, Zone 4, is gathered by gratitude and worthiness. That's why I do that quote in The Real Worth. It's all about knowing how unique and special you are. It's very, very important. Integrity and honor, self-worth, inner peace, authenticity, and fulfillment are hallmarks of the meaning zone. Some people say, Ken, I don't really care about meaning, I just want a pile of money. It's fair to think that way, especially if you don't have as much money as you want. But the problem is, when you get a lot of money, if you don't have meaning attached to that money, you can end up like Jesse Livermore. Jesse Livermore, the founder of day trading, actually committed suicide. He had plenty of money. He was very successful. That intergenerational problem was passed down through his family line. 2 of his children actually committed suicide as well. When people think that meaning is not important, if they have a family, they should be focused on meaning. Certainly money is critically important, but money without meaning is a Jesse Livermore kind of situation. It's something that you don't want to go near. Many people have financial goals. They want to make $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, $1 million, $5 million, $10 million. It doesn't stop. It just keeps on going on and on. Money is an unlimited commodity. You can never have enough. Ask any billionaire. They'll tell you they need more. The problem is with goals, you need a reason, not a goal. A reason is something that gets you up in the morning, keeps you up late at night when you should be going to bed. A reason is something that drives you. Inside our community, our reason is real wealth. I believe the starting point for mental toughness is actually an attitude of gratitude and also positivity. Getting rid of any internal negativity and external negativity is really important. Changing the focus away from any negative stuff like blame or shame or guilt or anything like that, and focusing on learning, owning your own results, and knowing what you do is good enough if you give it your best go. That is important. Working hard is really important. Nothing significant is achieved through laziness. Testing your limits and facing your fears will give you a beautiful feeling in life. I'd like to thank all the very kind and generous community members who've reached out and shown their appreciation by buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/cryptotradingks. Thanks so much, everyone. I'd like to especially thank Leslie, Jason, and Dorothy. Very good work, Jason. Jason is celebrating moving to Zone 3. Good on you, Jason. That's beautiful. And Jason said, every day I look forward to listening. That's so fantastic. Real wealth is just awesome stuff. Dorothy, new to the channel, welcome, my friend. Love your teachings, especially the true wealth part. Thank you so much, Dorothy. That's very kind. As a crypto-focused community, we look at crypto as the way to make money, and it's a pretty good way to make money. If you think about it, if you go into a normal business, you may have to buy stock or pay advertising, hire staff, rent out a premises or buy a building or something like that. Fantastic. We don't need to do any of those things. We just have to have a certain amount of capital, put it forward, and buy effectively and sell effectively. As my way of saying thank you to the very generous people who reach out and buy me a coffee, I put a special episode every month into the coffee club. If you go to the post tab and you click, you will see these particular videos. These are special videos just for you. They go deeper into certain aspects. I think it will really help you. I do one of these every month as just my way of saying thank you so much to everyone for your generosity. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. If you're new, please say hi, and if you're returning, I love the comments in our comments section on YouTube. We've got such a beautiful community. If you have any particular suggestions on what you would like me to cover in the Real Wealth series, I am always open. I always do my best to bring forward different things that the community needs, such as analyzing specific coins or talking a bit about specific things. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there. Take care and see you next time. Bye for now.